Alright, here we have my 1971 Chevy C10 Shortbed Pickup. It's torch red. Nice billet grille. Chrome grill bezel. All the chrome is in extremely good shape. New bumper. Paint job is really clean. You can see a little bit of a louvered hood there. Marquez design corner lights, which are all billet aluminum. Very, very nice. Shaved door handles. Torque thrust wheels. These are 15 by 12s in the back and 15 by 8s in the front. Marquez design aluminum there. Really nice stuff there that Marquez design lights. You can see the bed with the tubs. Get up underneath. You can see why those are. Try to get up under there a little bit so you can see the suspension back here. It's a very, very clean truck, as you can tell. There's your shot from back here. Get up here. Hood. It's a 454 Chevy bored out to a 468 Big Block. You can see very clean, highly detailed engine compartment. Ceramic coated headers, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum radiator, chrome power brake booster. It's very, very nice and clean. Inside the truck. Interior's super clean. Now back. Good there. All right, there you have it. Nice truck.